Welcome to Grammar for Kids by PlanetSpark.
Question 1. Guess the answer. I dash happy is M-R. Answer M. Awesome! You got it! Question 2. Fill in the blank. The cat dash sleepy. Answer is. Great job! Question 3. Choose the correct word. We underscore friends is M-R. Answer R. Yay! You're so smart! Question 4. Read and answer. She dash my sister. Answer is fantastic. Question 5. Guess the answer. They dash playing is M-R. Answer R. Super work. Question 6. Fill in the blank. I dash 6 years old. Answer M. Brilliant. Question 7. Choose the correct answer. The birds dash flying is M-R. Answer R. You're doing amazing. Question 8. Read and answer. The sun dash bright is M-R. Answer is fantastic. Question 9. Guess the answer. My friends at school is M-R. Answer R. You're a grammar star. Question 10. Fill in the blank. He dash very kind. Answer is. Amazing job. Question 11. Read and answer. My brother and I dash ready. Answer R. Fantastic thinking. Question 12. Choose the correct answer. The apple dash red is M-R. Answer is. Wonderful. Question 13. Guess the answer. You dash my best friend is M-R. Answer R. You nailed it. Question 14. Fill in the blank. The teacher dash smiling. Answer is. Incredible. Question 15. Read and answer. The dogs dash in the park. Answer R. Wow, perfect answer. Bark, bark.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Join our learning community today.
Link in bio.
See you soon.